Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, returning boolean values from functions. You may recall from comparison with equality operator that all comparison operators return a boolean true or false value. Sometimes people use an if-else statement to do comparison like this. Function is equal a, comma b. Two parameters are passed and later if a equal to b, then return true, else return false. But there is a better way to do this since triple equal to I returns true or false. We can return the result of the comparison. So instead of using the if else chain, we can directly return the comparison value. So let's see the task for this challenge. Fix the function is less to remove the if else statement. So here we have if else for a is less than b. So instead of doing this long work, we will simply return a is less than b, and whatever be the answer, it will return. So let's run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.